Tired of complicated workout routines that leave you spinning your wheels with little to show for it? It's time to cut through the noise and focus on what really works. The 4 powerhouse exercises that build serious muscle and strength. In this video, we're breaking down the 4 most effective exercises that target every major muscle group. These moves are simple, proven, and deliver results, helping you pack on mass, boost your strength, and transform your physique. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned lifter, mastering these essential exercises will take your fitness to the next level. Ready to simplify your training and see real progress? Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the best fitness tips. Let's get started. Number 1, Farmer's Walk, functional strength and total body power. You've probably seen people walking with heavy weights and wondered, what's the point of this exercise? At first glance, it might seem too simple to be effective, but don't let its simplicity fool you. The Farmer's Walk is one of the most underrated yet incredibly powerful exercises for building real-world strength, improving shoulder health, and engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This movement replicates everyday tasks, like carrying heavy groceries or luggage, making it a functional exercise that directly benefits your daily life. The Farmer's Walk challenges your body to maintain stability and balance under load, making it an essential addition to any fitness routine aiming for overall strength development. Benefits of the Farmer's Walk. 1. Builds grip strength. The intense strain on your forearms from carrying heavy weights significantly improves your grip strength, which translates to better performance in exercises like deadlifts, rows, and pull-ups. 2. Engages multiple muscle groups. While it may look straightforward, this exercise activates your traps, shoulders, core, legs, and lower back, making it a total body workout. 3. Enhances posture and core stability. To keep the weight stable and your posture upright, your core muscles work overtime, leading to improved stability and posture over time. 4. Boosts functional strength. The Farmer's Walk mimics real-world activities, ensuring the strength you build is both practical and applicable to everyday movements. The Farmer's Walk is more than just a simple carrying exercise. It's a foundational movement for building strength, balance, and resilience. By mastering this exercise, you'll not only enhance your physical capabilities, but also see improvements in posture, stability, and performance in other lifts. How to perform the Farmer's Walk. Grab a pair of heavy dumbbells or kettlebells. Choose weights that are challenging, but allow you to maintain proper form. Set your posture. Stand tall with your shoulders pulled back, chest lifted, and core engaged. Walk with control. Take slow, steady steps for a distance of 20 to 30 meters, ensuring the weights remain stable without unnecessary swaying. Focus on form. Maintain an upright posture. Avoid hunching or leaning forward, and keep your movements controlled. As your strength improves, gradually increase the weight or distance to continue challenging your muscles and building endurance. Incorporate the Farmer's Walk into your routine 2 to 3 times per week, performing 3 to 4 sets of 30 to 40 seconds per session. Number 2, bench press, the chest powerhouse. If you're aiming for a bigger chest, stronger shoulders, and defined triceps, the bench press should be at the top of your workout list. This classic compound lift is one of the best exercises for developing upper body size and strength, allowing you to move heavy weights and progressively overload your muscles for significant gains. Benefits of the bench press. 1. Builds massive upper body strength. The bench press primarily targets the pectorals, chest muscles, anterior deltoids, front shoulders, and triceps, making it a powerhouse for upper body development. 2. Enhances pushing strength. It improves your pushing power, which translates to better performance in other pressing exercises, like the overhead press. 3. Supports overall athleticism. A strong bench press enhances functional strength for everyday tasks in sports that require upper body power. How to perform the bench press. Set up. Lie flat on a bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Position yourself so your eyes are directly under the barbell. Grip the bar. Grab the bar with a grip slightly wider than shoulder width, ensuring your wrists are straight and aligned with your forearms. Engage your body, retract your shoulder blades, embrace your core to maintain stability and protect your shoulders. Lower the bar. Slowly lower the barbell to your mid-chest, keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your torso. Press the bar up. Drive the bar back up to the starting position by extending your arms fully, focusing on squeezing your chest at the top. Number 3, overhead press. Build dominant shoulders. If you want broad, powerful shoulders and upper body strength, the overhead press should be a staple in your routine. This compound exercise is the ultimate test of shoulder strength and stability, building your delts, triceps, and even engaging your core for balance and control. Benefits of the overhead press. 1. Builds shoulder width and thickness. The overhead press directly targets the deltoids, giving your shoulders a fuller and more defined appearance. 2. Engages multiple muscle groups. Beyond the shoulders, it works your triceps, upper chest, and core, making it a comprehensive upper body strength exercise. 3. Improves stability and balance. Pressing a weight overhead forces your body to stabilize, enhancing your balance and overall functional strength. Enhances athletic performance. The overhead press improves pushing power, which carries over to sports and daily activities requiring upper body strength. How to perform the overhead press. Set up. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a barbell at your collarbone with an overhand grip slightly wider than shoulder width. Brace your core, engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep your chest up to maintain stability. Press the bar overhead. Push the bar straight up until your arms are fully extended. Ensure the barbell is in line with the middle of your body at the top of the lift. Lower with control. Slowly bring the bar back down to your collarbone, keeping your elbows slightly forward throughout the movement. Number 4, lunges, leg development with precision. Lunges are an incredible exercise for building balance, coordination, and unilateral strength, making them an essential part of any lower body routine. Unlike traditional exercises like squats that target both legs simultaneously, lunges focus on one leg at a time, helping to correct muscle imbalances and ensuring that each leg develops equally. Benefits of doing lunges. 1. Improves balance and coordination. Lunges challenge your stability by forcing your body to engage the core and lower body muscles for balance and control. 2. Builds unilateral strength. By working one leg at a time, lunges help correct imbalances and ensure both legs develop equally, which is important for overall lower body strength. Targets key muscle groups. Lunges primarily engage the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, while also activating the core for stability. 4. Enhances mobility and flexibility. Lunges stretch your muscles through a full range of motion, improving both flexibility and hypertrophy, muscle growth. 5. Improves functional strength. The movement pattern mimics everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, and getting up from a seated position, making lunges a functional exercise that translates to real-world strength. How to perform lunges. Step forward. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, then step forward with one leg while lowering your hips so that both knees bend at 90-degree angles. Maintain proper form. Keep your front knee directly above your ankle and your back knee hovering just above the floor. Push through your heel. Push through the heel of your front foot to return to the starting position, engaging your glutes and hamstrings. Switch legs. Repeat the movement with the other leg, alternating sides for the desired number of reps. By focusing on these 8 essential exercises, you'll effectively target every major muscle group and build a solid foundation for both strength and growth. Consistency is key. Stay committed, lift heavy, and watch your body transform into a stronger, more muscular version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more game-changing fitness tips, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Check out our other videos on the screen now for even more ways to take your fitness journey to the next level.